Kazakhstan, the largest economy in Central Asia, offers a wealth of unique and attractive opportunities for international investors. A resource-rich country and a financial hub at the heart of a vast regional marketplace of 500 million people. Strategically located at the center of the new Silk Road, which links Asia and Europe, there has never been a better time to invest in Kazakhstan. To help investors benefit from these remarkable opportunities, Kazakh Invest is here to unlock Kazakhstan's potential. As a one-stop shop offering a 24/7 service, we are a single point of contact for investors. From establishing links with local companies and government departments, to supporting project maintenance and coordination, our doors are never closed. We don't rest until the needs of our investors are completely satisfied.